Determine if variable is defined in Python. How do you know whether a variable has been set at a particular place in the code at runtime? This is not always obvious because 1. The variable could be conditionally set, and 2. The variable could be conditionally deleted. I'm looking for something like defined in Perl, or is it in PHP, or defined ? In Ruby.
A in vars or A in globals. If you want to be pedantic, you can check the built-ins too. A in vars _ built-ins _.
I think it's better to avoid this situation. It's cleaner and clearer to write.